going on, everyone? Finger thing just arrived. Hi guys. So we just arrived here at what's called the Whitsunday apartments. So as you can see here, this is the view from the balcony from the Whitsunday apartments. Everything you see in pictures is true. Water is turquoise, and it's full on turquoise. Unfortunately, we didn't book a buggy, so top tip, book a buggy, book a buggy, book a buggy. So we didn't book a buggy because we didn't know. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to, we'll be walking around, so it's all right though, it's a lovely day. Absolutely blistering, it's about 30 degrees. So we're gonna head to the supermarket now. I think there's one on the island. So then we're gonna head down to the beach, gonna do a bit of swimming. So I'm just gonna do a switcheroo now. So now we can see how beautiful that water is. It really is turquoise. So we see here, we've got a swimming pool here. Got another swimming pool here next door. So this accommodation is what they call children friendly. So some of the accommodation on the island, the more expensive ones are adults only. So if that's what you're looking for, then you have that option. So we also had our first introduction to a cockatoo, I think that's what it's called.
Oh, holy mother God.
We're here for 6 days, so maybe by the time it's finished, may have the courage to put my arm out so it can actually land on it. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's keep on going.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom.
So we're just walking, so we've left the hotel now and we're going to go down to the supermarket. I'm torturing people with my view. My old t-shirt off, holding this one above my old tummy. So yeah, we're just heading down to the supermarket now. A few beers, a few bits and pieces. Yeah, nice to see you. So we're just outside the IGA supermarket, and just picture this scenario of, you know, you're gonna go and pick up a new girlfriend. You show your rims on your electric golf cart. Those rims. So we're all picking up someone in style. All right, so literally been walking for 10 minutes. To get back. It's only a 10-minute walk, it's really close. But this is the more important thing about having a buggy. Is so you don't have to lug all the shopping, drinks, food and everything back to the place. So, top tip, make sure you get the buggy sorted. Let's go. So here we have a hammock. See now how she gets into it.
Very grateful.
I'm screaming. What's it like?
Well, it's definitely not uncomfortable. It is comfortable, it is. Oh, now we're talking. Now we are talking. Oh, let's go back. It's going in my feet pathetic. We just went for a bit of a dip. I got absolutely smashed in the face with a saltwater wave. That mixed with sun cream, mixed with my issues that I've got on my face. Absolutely painful. Oh my god, it's so warm in there. It's crazy. But it's really, really nice.
Literally like getting into a lukewarm bath. Yeah, I can't really buy it, so to the next one. Here now we're in the Pool Terrace restaurant. The menu is not too bad, a little bit pricey, but it's nice. It's thing here we have here, we're right literally poolside. So this is why it's called the Pool Terrace restaurant. Are you hungry?
I'll start with mac and cheese croquettes, and then we're going to get the burgers.
Yeah, cheesy burger, yeah. Alright, so we just got food, we got the burger and chips. Got some mac and cheese croquettes. And I think this is the prawn linguine. So, lovely, isn't it?
That's it!
Right, so we just finished up our meal here at the Reef Hotel, and now we're just heading back. So yeah, probably catch up tomorrow.
Good night!
Alright, so it's day 2. So we just came walk down to, this is KS Beach, is it? Please? Redo. This is Cat's Eye Beach. So we're just going to go down a bit of a stroll. We've got a helicopter ride later on.
Baby.
Down here now at the Koala Cafe. We just came down here for a quick break, quick stop. People here now, they're doing their koala encounters now, so it's where they're going to allow people to hold them. So we just stop here, just look at some of the beautiful nature that's here. Looking forward to getting in the pool. And at 2 o'clock then we're going up in a helicopter. We're going to see Whitehaven Beach.
And the Great Barrier Reef on the bottom.
And the Great Barrier Reef. Hopefully you're going to get a catch of Heart Reef and land on the beach. Probably land on the beach for an hour, so that should be good. So stay tuned. Oh, there she is.
Oh my god, it really doesn't get shadow at all.
Kind of only being what, 5.5 foot?
Yeah. Ready to drink my drink.
Huh?
It is getting shallower. This is 1 meter. Down there is 1.5 meters. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can breathe.
Alright guys, so we just finished up our time here, so we're just going to do a few more laps at the pool and going to tip off, get ready for the helicopter ride. Alright, see you in the next one.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do. 'Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse. We should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
Alright, so we just arrived here at Whitehaven Beach. Fantastic views, wasn't it?
Oh my god, absolutely amazing. The water is bright blue, the sand is so white. It's
Absolutely amazing, yeah. We've got ourselves an umbrella and a helicopter. Right, let's go and have a look at it and see what it is. So this is the beach machine that actually brought us here. So we haven't named it yet, but I reckon we'll try and have a name before all finishes. There she is.
Maybe it has to be so prepared to have that umbrella. The joke you made. Landed on Whitehaven Beach. Gonna pop some champagne. Absolutely amazing. Woo! Woo! How was your heli? Amazing.
Definitely can't appreciate the view until you actually do something like that.
No.
It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Heart Reef,
Yeah.
not the only heart.
You
The other one.
charmer.
We've just finished having the setup here, so as you can see, we've got a lovely umbrella and a mat, and they've also given us a bottle of champagne to have as well. So what's it like? Is it nice?
Oh my god, it's amazing. So nice.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that that was provided, well, it wants to be for the price of it, but I didn't even know that was provided in like our flight experience, so it was a really nice surprise actually. We came here, we sat down,
Yeah.
we managed to start setting everything up. It was really nice. Yeah, absolutely amazing.
Lovely, yeah.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Alright guys, so we're just back now from the helicopter snow. We've just been to IGA. Now what we're going to do is just going to probably head back to the apartment, have a few beers, relax, and just take it fucking easy. There's actually a wedding. There's actually a wedding on down there. Can you see that?
Oh my god, wow, it's beautiful.
View's amazing, yeah. Alright, so we're going to head back to the apartment and just relax, a few beers, bit of food. Finger fling.